In just a few hours, one little girl turned an entire zoo into complete chaos. Animals were terrified, workers were overwhelmed, and she was permanently banned from the zoo. But what did Mia do to cause all of this? And how did Kathy become the only person who could stop the disaster?
Thank you. Today we're gonna find something to mess with.
Please stay on the visitor path.
Rules make everything boring.
Rules keep animals safe.
You should go by yourself and don't follow me. But remember not to do anything, okay? Then they need better rules. Please don't tease the animals. It must be a monkey.
Do not throw food.
It is just watermelon.
Only keepers feed animals.
Stop shaking the cage. They should say something funny. They are terrified.
Then they should talk faster. That is not entertainment. At least he moved.
You are making him scared. Good. This zoo is boring.
Put the fish back. This one is mine now. It needs proper water. The penguins like it.
They are stressed and confused.
Finally, something exciting. Give me that bucket now.
Will be $8.
I want it free.
You must pay first.
Then nobody pays today.
You are stressing him.
He cannot reach me. He is behind safe glass. Stay behind the fence.
Daisy is only scratched. I am glad she is safe.
You are helping safely.
Animals need gentle visitors.
Mia, leave that rope alone. You fixed everything too soon. Someone could get hurt. They embarrassed me first.
The trouble ends now.
Your choices cause damage. Fun cannot hurt others.